are you, Pyro?
I'm right here.
I think I see you. Where are you?
I'm on top of the blanket.
Um, what's this strange thing in front of my face? I don't know. But I have a bald spot on my head and in a belt, a stripe, a yellow stripe. There you are, Pyro. Kiss? No, thank you. I'm too bored of you. I mean, not of you, of kisses. Oh. I didn't mean to say I'm too bored of you. I meant to say I'm too bored of kisses. Oh. Help me! A hand! Help me, there's a hand! Ah! Hey, girlfriend! Help me! Oh, okay. I think it was just only for a sec. Yeah, I guess. Ah, I love you. Oh, look at them. Oh, he's so cute in real life. I love this finger. I want to bite it. How about this one too? How about all of them? How about every finger in the world? Well, me on the other hand, I would just bite it unless people want me to. Like this. Like this. Yeah, like that. Well, I'll just bite the fingers whenever I want to, like this. Oh, okay, but she's kind of forcing you to. I'll go right here again, where I was before, where I could not find you. Okay, I'll stay up here then. Why is my camera so blurry? We're on a hanger, aren't we, Pyro? Yes, we are, Alexa. Maybe I should mute the echo for now on when I'm recording my birds. Magic. It won't even fall off. It's just staying there. Magic. This day is fun. Yeah, I guess. They're such lovebirds. I'm so sick of you, human. Such lovebirds. Oh. There they go. Okay. Yay, we're back in our cage. Yeah, we are. Ah.